This is a 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side mirror mounted blind spot camera, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.